Welcome to the Multi-Orgasmic Mama podcast, where sexy motherhood taboos are broken. I'm Tilly Storm, holistic sex and Jade Egg coach and tantric sex teacher, all-around pleasure and prosperity advocate, and mama of two. If you are looking to get the spark back in your sex life and relationship, if you'd like to revive desire and feel sexy again without hormones, years of therapy, or trying things that don't feel authentic in the bedroom, then download my free Ignite Your Desire e-guide at www.tillystorm.com/e-guide. This episode is brought to you by the Sensually Embodied Woman Collective. If you're ready to remove all your blocks to pleasure, turn on and feeling confident and sexy in your body through my paid programs and offerings, then head to www.tillystorm.com today. Welcome back to the podcast, ladies. It's Tilly here. And I'm kind of regretting not posting this episode sooner, but honestly, the idea just came to me a couple of days ago. The best sex and intimacy gifts that will actually improve your sex life. Because if you've been listening to my podcast before, you better know. And if you don't know, then I'm probably not doing a good enough job at letting this be known. But you should know that you would not expect from me a list of vibrators, a list of Cosmo-style sex games, or a list of edible thongs, or the spiciest lingerie that I would recommend for my gift guide. Oh my golly, no. You can go find any of that stuff online, because all the best sex and intimacy gifts that you see on there, that's all what they are. And I just I look at those and I laugh, y'all. I'm like, how many women I've worked with that have come to me and been like, we've tried all of these things before, or we've done all of this, or like, I just can't get into that. It doesn't feel authentic. And, you know, they think that's the solution to their problems. And when the solution is like nothing about a product or a toy most of the time. So yes, the 8 best sex and intimacy gifts that will actually improve your sex life are what I'm going to be sharing with you today, so that you can feel more connected to your body and sexuality and experience more intimacy and connection with your partner. Now, they might be unconventional, but you shouldn't expect anything else from me, right? Of course not. Now, for my 8 best gifts for 2020 and beyond. Number 1. The high impact massage gun. Yes, my loves. If you are anything like me, you love massages and you ask for them frequently. However, if your partner is anything like mine, then your partner probably doesn't want to be giving you massages all day, every day like I want. You would much rather me go see a professional to do that. And I have to tell you, I was at a friend's house a couple of months back for a dinner party, and she had this exact massage gun, and my boyfriend was using it on my back, and I was instantly fell in love. And I was like, oh my God, honey, we finally have a solution. He'll actually put the thing on my back and do it with the massage gun, because it's not so much work on his part, and it totally relaxes me. It's like the best massager I've ever come across. Now, this is not a vibrator, but it is a massager, and it definitely helps take, you know, that feeling of being responsible for giving me all the touch and the, you know, all of that off of him. Plus, it doesn't wear him out before we even get started. So there's a benefit right there. I actually found out you can buy the high impact massage gun, which is a, like, as seen on TV offer. You can actually buy it from Walmart for cheaper. And I did not know that until I had researched it for this podcast. So definitely check it out. I think I paid $69.95 something like that. But you can actually get it from Walmart for $39.95. Woohoo! All right, now on to number 2. Now I'm going to preface number 2 by saying that it is still 2020, people. Okay, most people have been at home a lot more with their partner than they're used to being around their partner. So number 2 comes with the assumption that you have been spending more time with your partner than usual, and it's kind of caused tension, maybe not so much excitement in your relationship because there's no clear delineation of time between like sexy time or, when you're a couple time versus when you're just living and working together. If that's not the case, then maybe number 2 isn't for you. But number 2 being time alone away from your partner. Give yourself a freaking vacation, or give your partner permission to take a vacation, or schedule a vacation for them somewhere away, whether it's literally an Airbnb in your own hometown or just a weekend getaway with a girlfriend, or, if it's your man that wants to get away, a weekend getaway with, some dude friends or whatever works for you. But time alone and away from your partner, especially this year, is so important and it's something that will actually improve your sex life, because if you've been with your partner all year at home working together, it can be really, really taxing for long-term relationships. It's not normal to be around in such isolation, the same people and over and over and over again. So if that is you, consider taking some time away, or consider getting your spouse or partner time away so that you can rekindle that spark between the two of you. Okay, number 3. This one came from a current client, actually. She was using the Lasting app before coming into one of my programs. And this app is for relationship communication. And I did some research on it and actually signed up for it to see what it was like. And this app is rooted in attachment theory. And I took this from their website, but it basically helps couples nurture their emotional connection using elements of emotionally focused therapy, Gottman practices, and mindfulness practices. So it's become the nation's #1 relationship counseling app. And it, after doing some research and really looking into it, it seems like a pretty legit source of being able to help people improve their communication and their relationship and partnership. So this is something I feel would really greatly complement the work that I do, but it is definitely not a replacement for it. My work goes much, much, much deeper than what is available on an app like this. But it is counseling and, relationship advice and different prompts to help you spark communication that can be a great start to improving your sex life and relationship, and doing something that's actually going to work to make it better and not just put a band-aid over a large wound. Okay, now the 4th suggestion for a sex and intimacy gift that might actually improve your sex life. Y'all aren't going to believe this one, but it is a very, very creative one. And it's for those of you who really crave more polarity and experimentation and adventure in your sex life. So if you are at all kink curious or like to play in that land, then it is a possibility that you could hire a sub or dom for your partner, not so that they can do anything sexual to your partner, but so that they can show your partner to teach your partner how to be a sub or a dom. So again, this is a really interesting, unique one, but I do know couples that have done this before, and it can be very, very valuable so that you feel like you're not the one trying to teach your partner how to be a dom if that's what you want from your partner, but they are learning from a professional how to dom and how to, play with that polarity in your relationship. Because, hey, come on, it's not like any of us got this education growing up. It's not like no one ever taught us how to be a sub or dom, So if you're at all curious in that and you really want to explore that side of your sexuality, it's totally doable to hire someone to teach your partner how to sub or dom for you. Okay, now number 5 is to read or listen to the audiobook Come As You Are by Emily Nagoski together. This book is such a game changer for people to help understand their sexual desire responses. The truth is that we are all wired sexually different. We're not all the same. We each have different accelerators and different brakes, and some of us are responsive desire and some of us are more spontaneous desire people. And when you read this with your partner, it helps you to have that sexual education around people's desire to help them understand how you're wired, and so that you can better understand how they are wired. And honestly, this is just such a beautiful way to learn about sexuality together and to deepen your understanding of your partner by doing a little quiz to find out what your accelerators and brakes are, and so that they can see what those are, and also so that they can understand if you're a responsive or a spontaneous desire person, which is so important to understand about your partner, these things. Okay, now, number 6, of course, I'm going to suggest all of you start a freaking Jade Egg practice. If you have a pussy, you need to be using a Jade Egg. Okay, this is my number 1 tool for helping women remove their blocks to pleasure, turn on, and feeling confident and sexy in their body. And it's my number 1 tool because it actually improves your sex life. Okay, so from better, stronger, longer lasting orgasms to increasing sensitivity so you can have different types of orgasms, internal orgasms like A-spot, G-spot, cervical orgasms, and to teach you how to have a self-pleasure practice that isn't goal or orgasm oriented in the first place, because the trick to having all types of different kinds of orgasms in any way is to drop the freaking goal of it in the first place. And for a lot of women, that feels impossible, or they just don't know how to get out of their head enough to be able to do that. And the Jade Egg practice helps you learn to approach your body and your sexuality in the feminine way that you didn't get taught. And this will for sure improve your sex life when you learn how to make sexuality and how you relate to your body more like a moving meditation as opposed to a goal-oriented thing. So you can purchase a Jade Egg from my website and get my Jade Egg starter guide along with 3 warm-up practices and 3 audio-guided Jade Egg practices at www.tillystorm.com. And the 7th way, or the 7th gift idea to help improve your sex life and relationship is an Obsidian Shakti wand or glass dildo. So an Obsidian Shakti wand or glass dildo is the best tool to de-armor your vagina if you're going to do it yourself. You can have your partner do it through tantra massage, and I have 2 episodes on this podcast, one for yoni massage and one for lingam or penis massage. So you can go learn about those much earlier on. I think maybe a year or 2 ago I did those episodes. But that's one way to de-armor your vagina. And then there's a way of doing it yourself, which I suggest doing first before you do it with a partner. But using the Obsidian Shakti wand or the glass dildo can be a beautiful way to de-armor your vagina yourself to help you remove pleasure blocks so you can increase your capacity for more pleasure. And how could we say that that doesn't improve your sex life and relationship? So unlike vibrators, an Obsidian Shakti wand or glass dildo will help sensitize you and help you release the deep conditioning and trauma in the way of your pleasure. Vibrators won't help you release that. They just keep masking the problem in the first place until you're so desensitized that you hardly feel anything and your orgasm sucks, or you have to tense up so much that you get a freaking migraine headache after you have an orgasm. I know a lot of you that happens to, because ask me about it all the time. So if you want better orgasms that last longer and more access to pleasure, and you want to be able to achieve that by de-armoring your vagina, then the Obsidian Shakti wand is my favorite, although they're very pricey compared to the glass dildo. The Shakti wand, it's obsidian, and I've talked about why we use nephrite jade for the jade eggs or obsidian in the Taoist tradition. And the obsidian, it's even more yang energy than the nephrite jade is. So it's extremely dense, yang, masculine energy. And why do you want that kind of energy in a vagina? You want it because there's very much a deep, dark, feminine energy in there. And it helps to break up the feminine energy and to bring it to balance and harmony. So we use nephrite jade and obsidian because energetically they make a lot of sense to bring the vagina into energetic balance. So that is why we use this, but the glass dildo is perfectly fine as well. We are now selling the Obsidian Shakti wands on my site as well. So if you'd like to purchase that, you can head to www.tillystorm.com as well. And then the 8th way that you can improve your sex life and relationship for a best sex and intimacy gift of 2020 and beyond is to enroll in my Essentially Embodied Woman program. Yep. If you really want to do the work to improve your sex life and relationship, this is the answer for most people, not every person. I am not for everyone. My work isn't for everyone. But if you are interested to see if it is for you, you can check out the program at tillystorm.com/essentially-embodied-woman. And if you enroll before February 3rd, 2021, you can get in on my early bird pricing extended payment plan and take part in biweekly group calls before the program even starts the first week of March in 2021. We already have 2 women enrolled for March, and we'll start group calls mid-January. So I'm offering this early bird program to any of you who sign up by February 3rd. So go check it out, and I would love to see you on the other side and see if it's a fit. All right, my loves, best of luck to your end of 2020. Woohoo! We will be back next week for our last episode of the year. Bye.